شباب سينيور 1، ازيكم عاملين ايه؟ هنتكلم النهارده عن similarity of polygons. امتى اقول على two polygons are similar؟ طبعا لازم البوليجونز يكونوا having the same number of sides. عندك two rules. number one، ان corresponding angles تكون congruent، بمعنى angle A تكون congruent لانجل Y، او بمعنى اخر ان هي تكون equal. يعني ايه their corresponding angles are congruent؟ يعني نقدر نقول عليها equal. Number two، their corresponding sides are proportion. إياك تقول إن السايدز equal بعض، لا، السايدز بيكونوا proportion. يعني مثلا AD over XL equals AB over XY and so on. زي ما انت شايف كده. نمبر 1 انا بتكلم على ال corresponding angles ان هما يكونوا equal. angle A equal X, angle B equal angle Y, angle C equal angle Z, and angle D equals angle L. And the proportionality between corresponding sides لازم تكون proportion not equal. لازم تبقى عارف ان ال proportionality between sides لازم تبقى equal. بتبقى equal اسمها ايه؟ اسمها scale factor. طيب في rules لازم تبقى عارفها، ان لو ال scale factor دي bigger than 1 تبقى enlargement، لو ال scale factor less than 1 تبقى shrinking, or you can name it minimize. Let's see. زي ما اتكلمنا، لو k اللي هو ال scale factor bigger than 1 so it is called enlargement. And if k is included between 0 and 1 so the first polygon is shrinking to the second polygon, we can say it shrinking. What about the scale factor equal 1 definite? This means that the two polygons are congruent, same number of sides, same angles and same sides, and all are equal. If two polygons are congruent then they are similar. طبعا لو congruent هيبقوا similar، بس مش لازم اي similar polygons يكونوا congruent. خليك فاهم دي عشان بتيجي في multiple choices. لو عندك 3 polygons، اتنين منهم similar لبعض والاتنين التانيين similar لبعض، يبقى اكيد التلاتة are similar. Number 6، take care. All regular polygons which have the same number of sides are similar. Like all pentagons are similar, all hexagons are similar, all octagons are similar, and so on. All equilateral triangles also are similar. Let's take the first example. Look at the opposite figure. If the two polygons A, B, C, D and X, Y, Z, L are similar. Number 1, you want to find the scale factor of polygon the first ABCD to the second XYZL. Number 2, you want the lengths of unknown sides and the measure of unknown angles also. طالما قال لي ABCD and XYZL are similar، يعني وانت بتحل لازم وانت بتجيب proportional between sides تخلي بالك من الترتيب يا حبيبي. عندك AB over XY، BC يعني second and third letter so over second and third letter also YZ, CD over ZL, and finally AD over XL. This is the proportionality between sides. What about congruent angles? The first angle is A is equal to the angle X, angle B is equal to the angle Y, angle C is equal to the angle Z, and finally angle D is equal to angle L. Let's see the answer. applied the proportionality between sides equal k, which is the scale factor. Substitute AB unknown 3, 2.1 over 1.4 and CD over 1.8 equals 3 over Lx. You can see that 2.1 over 1.4 is known ratio. You can get the scale factor from this fraction, which is 3 over 2. And by applying crisscross at every unknown side by multiplying 2.1 by 3 and divide the answer by 1.4, you will get AB 4.5 centimeter. Similar, CD equal 2.7. What about angles? You have angle A equal 70 degree, so angle X equal also 70, angle B equal also 65 degree, which is congruent to angle Y, which is given 65, angle Z equal 135 degree, which is corresponding to angle C, which is given, and the sum of any quadrilateral having four sides, their angles are 360 degree. You have the measure of three angles, so add them and subtract the answer from 360, you get the last angle, which is 90 degree. Any interior angles of a quadrilateral, their sum of angles equals 360. So angle D equal angle L equals 360 minus summation of the other angles, and the result will be 90. You have to know that important rule: the ratio between the perimeters of two similar polygons equals the ratio between the lengths of two corresponding sides. لازم تبقى عارف ان الريشيو ما بين البريمترز بتاعت any polygon بتبقى equal بالظبط الريشيو between ال corresponding sides، نفس السكيل فاكتور. يعني البريمتر غير الاريا، خليك عارف ان الاريا الريشيو بتاعتها بتبقى side over side and all raised to the power 2. Let's take example 2. Two similar polygons. The lengths of sides of one of them are 3, 5, 6, 8, 10. يعني أنا كده استشفيت إن البوليجون الأولاني have 5 sides and also the second polygon have 5 sides. And the perimeter of the other equals 48 centimeter. Find the length of the two of the sides of the second polygon. You can name it A, B, C, D, E and the other polygon with X, Y, Z, L, M. Perimeter of the first polygon over the perimeter of the second polygon equals 48 over the summation of sides of the first one, which is 3, 5, 6, 8 and 10, equals 48 over 32 equals 3 over 2. يبقى انا كده جبت الريشيو between perimeters وكمان جبت السكيل فاكتور between proportionality of sides. طبعا انا عارف ان بختار ال corresponding sides، يعني AB over XY، BC over YZ، CD over ZL، DE over LM and finally AE over XM. Substituting the first polygon with its sides and do crisscross as before, you get AB 4.5 centimeter, BC 7.5 centimeter and finally CD 9 centimeter. And the other two sides DE equal 12 and EA equal 15 centimeter. Let's take example 3. ABC is a triangle in which AB equal 4 centimeter, BC 5, AC 8. Find the side lengths of another similar triangle if the scale factor equal 2.4 at number 1. طالما the scale factor 2.4, that mean yes, enlargement, because the scale factor is bigger than 1. Let triangle XYZ similar triangle ABC, you can name it whatever you want. Applying proportionality, XY over AB, YZ over BC, XZ over AC equal the scale factor. but you don't have any side of the first polygon, which is triangle. xy over 4, the first side length, equal yz over 5 equal zx over 8 equal 2.4. Applying crisscross, you can get the three sides. xy equal 9.6 centimeter and yz 12 centimeter and zx equal 19.2 centimeter. As I do at number 1, do at number 2. But you have here the scale factor less than 0.7. That means, yes, shrinking or minimizing. Applying the same proportionality rule and what the scale factor equals 0.7, so you can get by crisscross also the lenses, the three side lenses, xy 2.8, yz 3.5, zx equal 5.6 centimeter. Let's take example 4. A rectangle of length 5 centimeter and width equals 3 centimeter. Is this rectangle close to the golden rectangle? What's meant by golden rectangle? You have to get the ratio between length and width, and it must be equal to 1.613 to 1. And if you get the ratio between length and width 5 to 3.1, you get already 1.613. So this rectangle is close to the golden rectangle. Don't forget this ratio, important ratio. Let's take example 5. A golden rectangle of length 14 centimeter. Find its width to the nearest centimeter. هو هنا قال لك ان هو golden. That means that the ratio between length and width equals 1.618 or 3. So, yes, 1.618 to 1. But you have here length equal 14 centimeter and you don't have width. So from junior 6 you can write the ratio and apply crisscross. You can get the width equal 9 centimeter. وبكده يكون الدرس خلص. اتمنى تكونوا فهمتوا، واللي يقف معاه اي حاجة يقدر يبعت على جروب الواتساب. السلام عليكم.